Just wanted to say before the video starts, if you want to be shouted out or you want to be in the last 5 subscriber list, make sure to subscribe right now and you might get a shout out. Oh my god! Drop it down! I made a mistake! It was a mistake! Hello everybody, welcome back to another video, and today I'm going to be playing something a little bit different. Today I'm going to be playing some Roblox Twisted. I have a high day pulled up, we have some very good thermodynamics. And well, yeah, we're just gonna be chasing around, being chill, maybe get some really strong tornadoes. So yeah, want to stay up to date with my videos? Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that bell. Alright, so here we are in our high risk day with some great cape, 10-3, 3K, 500 SRH. We're gonna get some good tornadoes. And as you can see, we have west here. We already have rotation forming, which is very early storm because it is only 9. It's gonna be heading east, so I'm gonna try and get in front of this while I can. I'm just gonna wait, let it sit there for a moment. Alright, we do have a tornado on the ground, it says, so I think it's coming to head over this way. Dang, look at that wall cloud. Oh wow. Yellow TVS tornado we have on the ground right now. Oh, that's some beautiful rotation. I'm just trying to get a good look at this, maybe get an intercept if it's strong enough. And hopefully, yeah. We also do have a new storm firing so northwest here, and I'm off the rails. Oh, we have no, it's not fully condensed yet. Damn, that is a low wall cloud. Look at the tail cloud. Wow. That is nice. I think I'm in a good spot here. Oh, I think that is a multi-vortices. Let me just go into my drone. Yeah, multi-vortices. Alright, so I should head more northerly, and then maybe I can get to it. I say a little more northerly. We have a funnel coming down. Oh, that's gonna be nice. Alright, what I'm thinking, because it's definitely going more northerly, so I'm just gonna have to keep watch on where this thing's heading. I think I might be on its path right now. If it could fully condense, then I will be so happy.
Doppler radar showed this tornado moving east at 60 miles per hour.
Alright, it's still going more northerly, so I'm gonna keep heading north. Alright, what I say we head onto this road right here, like stop. I say we gotta get a little more in front of. Oh my god, look at the vortices! Oh, it's fully down. It's on the ground. I think we're good here. I'm gonna place a road. Okay, I just missed. Let's see, buy more rocket probes. Come on. Oh yeah, look at that. That's gonna be huge when it drops down, I bet. I say I can go up here. Oh, that tornado looks really nice. That looks nice. Alright, I'm gonna try and get in front of this one in some way. Oh, maybe. Oh, Hazelton might get a direct hit. Hazelton is getting hit. Oh, power flash. Hazelton is getting a mad hit by hail. Okay, I think I can reset. Respawn in Roswell.
Hazelton. Aldoid. Almora.
Yes, it worked. Oh, but now we're really in the rain here. That's not good. Come on, go, 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 go. We're really in the rain here. I think we're doing spawn. Oh no. Oh, it's right there. Go, go. Spawn. Alright, this one I actually want to get an intercept on, so I'm gonna try. Oh, I think I just got right in the path of it there. Oh, it's gonna hit, I think Hazelton is gonna get a direct hit. Oh, stop. Debris. Yeah, it's gonna hit right in the middle of Hazelton. Here we go. Or I'm dropping down. Placing a probe. Get in. Just missed. Oh, here we go. This is not good. Oh, here we go. I'll get on the highway here. Oh, the tornado's right there. There's a tornado. Right there. I gotta get, oh my god, listen to that. Wow, that's loud. Go on, get on. You won't let me onto the road? It won't let me onto the road? Oh my god, trees! Trees are going down. Debris! Drop it down and get a probe. Or to get in. Oh, vortice. Look at that vortice. Oh my god. Oh, here it comes. 76. 80. Oh, this is a strong tornado. Okay. Oh my. Whoa. Okay. Wowee. Oh, it's here. 140. Oh, I just missed it there. I think. Oh, okay. 156. Oh, we're in the core. Oh, make sure to please like and subscribe. Like and subscribe. Oh my god. 156. Wow. Oh, damn. Alright, I'm going to stay like this. What? Oh my god. Whoa, look, that one's way stronger. 156 in all of my probes. That's just max. No, let me just get a look at that thing. Oh my. Whoa, look at the damage it did. Oh my. Alright, we still have so much time to get in front of it, actually. There's a second tornado right in the rain there. Okay, I'm choosing which one should I chase. Red. Let's just take a look at where you're going. Oh, I think we are in a great spot here. Oh, no. Which one do I chase now? Okay, it's orange. Okay, I actually might be in a great spot already here. God, I'm getting 75 on my mesomat. What the? Gotta be crazy wins for that stuff. Holy. Oh yeah, I'm chasing that one. I'm definitely chasing that one instead of Wowee. I gotta see where its way it's going. I gotta get my drone. Battling this wind. Where a good
Doors immediately and stay away from windows.
Race, I ain't battling these winds. Oh, I want to get a screenshot of that. Or I'm dropping it down. Oh, I'm dropping it down. I'm placing actually both of my probes here because I want to get some money on this one. Alright, I have to deploy on this. Oh, I actually have to deploy on this. Oh my god, look at all the black! Oh, it's ripping up the trees. Oh my god, the trees. The trees. Oh yeah, we might core that. Wait. No, I gotta keep going, I gotta keep going! Oh, we gotta go! Oh my god! Drop it down! Oh, we're sliding! Oh! I made a mistake! It was a mistake! Oh no! Yeah, we'll get that. I want to see if I can see my car. Well guys, if you really enjoyed that video, make sure to go down below, like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you can get notified whenever I upload.